Rashawn Myers coming to you live, Louisville, Kentucky, home of the Derby Festival Basketball Classic, here with a man that Louisville fans are going to see a lot of, I'm sure, over the next several years, Mr. Matthew Moyer, heading to Syracuse. Matthew, just kind of talk about this week, what it's been like, and ultimately the game for you today.
You know, just the week, it's been incredible just to be with these guys, great players who are going to be playing for great universities, just to have fun and, you know, see that you're a blessed person. You know, got to go to the Children's Hospital, you know, got to see kids that aren't as, you know, that don't, you know, it makes us realize how blessed that we are, you know. And the game, you know, to compete against the best, you know, to be the best, you have to compete against the best, and it was just a great experience overall.
And it seems like, you know, of course, Jim Boeheim always likes to have guys that have length, can play multiple positions. You know, that seems to be a part of your game. You're handling the ball. Is that something that you pride yourself on, is your versatility?
Yeah, you know, I try to, you know, be able to shoot it, to handle it, to, you know, I've always been athletic, but I just trying to, you know, keep padding my game to make it better and better. And, you know, the more I have to my game, the better I can benefit Coach Boeheim in Syracuse.
Now, when you see the ACC, the type of teams they have there, how well they did in the NCAA tournament this year, you know you're going to be a part of that madness starting next year. What does it mean to join that elite level? I mean, you have Duke, maybe the #1 team in the country. What's that mean to you to be able to play in the ACC?
You know, in my opinion, it's the best conference in the country. To play that competition, to be on a historic program like Syracuse, to be a part of that, it's special, and you know, I'm blessed and honored to get offered by a scholarship by that man. You know, right when I got the offer, and I visited, I didn't even wait any longer. It was just the place for me. It's just a blessing.
Okay. And is there anything that you would really like to work on, you know, to really take your game to the next level, or something before you get to campus, and then ultimately to get better once you get to Syracuse?
Shoot, I get to campus in a month, so I don't got that much time, but. If I could, you know, just continuously work on my jump shot, you know, I'm shooting it a lot better. This year I shot high 30s, early or low 40% from three. So I've been improving it. So I mean, just to continue to shoot it off the dribble and just be who I am. You know, be confident. You know, I feel like if I do that, I'll be very successful at Syracuse.
Now let me ask you. Well, you know, Syracuse was kind of the Cinderella. They made the big run as a 10 seed. You know, what did you just think about that run? You know, that whole situation. That was amazing just to see that team kind of rise like that.
I mean, it was insane. It was pretty crazy just you know, to be a part of that. As far as, you know, watching it, you know, I feel like everybody in the country and in the world that was watching was just impressed and wanted Syracuse to win. And it was just a great experience, and hopefully I can be a part of that next year.
So you heard he's guaranteeing that he's going to be a part of bringing the next Syracuse team to the Final Four.
Hey, Final Four and some more, right? Some more, right? Huh?
I like that. Well, Matthew Moyer, I appreciate it. Congratulations, and look forward to big things from you.
Thank you. Have a nice evening.
All right. Thank you.